Are temporary files taking up space on your Windows computer? Over time, Windows and your applications create temporary files that are no longer needed. BleachBit makes it easy to remove these files and recover storage space safely. In this guide, I'll show you how to clean temporary files with BleachBit step by step. Let's get started. First, launch BleachBit from the Start menu. If Windows displays a user account control prompt, click Yes to grant administrator permission. This allows BleachBit to clean additional system locations when they're available. Next, look through the list of available cleaning categories in the left panel. Find the Windows section and select options related to temporary files or similar cleanup categories. Review each option before selecting it so you understand exactly what will be removed. Now click the Preview button. BleachBit will scan your computer and estimate how many temporary files can be removed, along with the amount of storage space that can be recovered. This preview lets you review the results before making any changes. After reviewing the preview, click Clean and confirm the action if prompted. BleachBit will begin deleting the selected temporary files. Depending on the number of files and your system speed, the cleanup may take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Once the cleanup is complete, check the summary to see how much storage space has been recovered. Running this cleanup from time to time helps prevent temporary files from accumulating and keeps your system organized. And that's how to clean temporary files with BleachBit. Regularly removing temporary files is a simple way to recover storage space and keep your Windows computer running efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.